Hey guys, what's going on? This is just a little bit of an announcement slash update on how stuff has been going with the Empire. Um, let's just switch to the other camera here, the fancy one. So we've got our website here. From the beginning, I just want to make sure that you guys are recognized, and we thank you for all of your support with the Patreon and the subs on Twitch. Uh, it's crazy. It's crazy where we're at right now. Anyways, so you can see our website here. We've got our Discord, and we've got the Twitch channel. We've got our learning hub, and we've got this cool podcast thing here. For anyone who doesn't know, Alex Bedeau is running a podcast, which we post through here. It's a game dev discussion, which is actually super active. And so the bit of announcement here is for the game dev discussions is now going to be hosted directly on the YouTube channel, just so that you guys have a easier time accessing the content, and it's kind of unified under one greater image. Yeah, that's basically it for GDD. I'm super excited because I wanted to run a podcast for a long time, and Alex is doing an amazing job. And right off the get go, I was like, oh man, you wanna just put that, you wanna be part of us? And he was awesome enough to join us. So yeah, expect to see his videos on the YouTube channel. And the next order of business is Lucas. So Lucas has been doing YouTube videos on getting acquainted with Blender, and that's pretty exciting because we basically brought him in as well. So Lucas will now be posting his videos directly on the YouTube channel also. Again, this is just to kind of like unify our efforts to try and push education and just get everyone exposed to any content that is created within the Empire biome, if you will. For me, what I'm doing on the channel right now is we're hosting the focus streams as usual, and the portfolio reviews. The Discord critiques will be changed a little bit. It hasn't fully been decided how that's going to work, but I want to make sure that you guys know that it'll always be posted and free inside of the Discord. So just in the announcements channel as usual. But there's a possibility of some other really exciting stuff that's coming down the pipe. And we'll do another announcement if said things happen. I'm super excited. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out, and I look forward to the exciting stuff that's about to go down. Cheers.